Taking care of a bonsai tree can be incredibly rewarding, but it's easy to make mistakes that can harm your tree. In this video, we'll cover the most common bonsai mistakes and, more importantly, how to avoid them. Whether you're just starting out or have been growing bonsai for years, these tips will help you keep your tree healthy and thriving. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our bonsai care tips. What's the biggest challenge you've faced with your bonsai? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Mistake number 1. Overwatering or underwatering. One of the most common mistakes is improper watering. Overwatering can cause root rot, while underwatering can lead to dry, brittle branches. The solution? Check your soil daily. If the top layer feels dry, it's time to water. Always water deeply until you see it draining out of the bottom. Have you ever struggled with getting the watering right? Share your experience in the comments. Mistake number 2. Using the wrong soil. Not all soil is created equal. Bonsai trees need well-draining soil that retains moisture without becoming waterlogged. Using garden soil or potting mix can suffocate the roots. Invest in a proper bonsai soil mix to give your tree the best chance to thrive. Mistake number 3. Neglecting pruning. Pruning isn't just for aesthetics, it's crucial for maintaining your tree's health. Allowing your bonsai to grow unchecked can lead to poor air circulation and weak branches. Regularly prune dead branches, crossing limbs, and excessive growth to keep your tree balanced. What's your favorite part about pruning your bonsai, styling it, or seeing the results over time? Let us know. Mistake number 4. Ignoring the roots. Healthy roots mean a healthy tree. Neglecting root pruning during repotting can cause your bonsai to become root-bound, which limits nutrient absorption. Check your tree's roots every 1 to 2 years and repot when necessary. Mistake number 5. Not protecting your bonsai from weather extremes. Extreme heat or cold can damage your bonsai. In summer, keep it shaded during the hottest parts of the day. In winter, ensure your tree is protected from frost, but still gets adequate airflow. Avoiding these common mistakes will set you up for success and help your bonsai flourish. Did we miss any mistakes you've encountered? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and share it with a fellow bonsai enthusiast. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell. We've got plenty more tips, tutorials, and inspiration coming your way. Thanks for watching, and happy growing.